All right, okay, great through that. Okay, so what I want you guys to do for the next pretty much 20-30 minutes, okay? I want you guys to try and have a look and see that you have. Oh yeah. Okay. You have the euro, dollar. You have the euro against the yen. You have the pound against the yen. Actually, so choose between the two. Voila. Okay, cool. All right. So the yen, it's all different compared with the dollar, obviously. So that one's currently tanking. Pound yen is the same. Actually, that one dropped even further. So 152, 197. If you got it at least 150, 190, then awesome job. Alrighty, so okay, for the next 20 minutes or so, it's 30 minutes, you go to your euro against the dollar. You can trade it based on your live account if you want to, or your demo, doesn't matter which one's which, and see what you can come up with. And then I will be going through one per person and see what you guys are doing. Be coaching at the same time as well. So you can choose M1, M2, or M3. Alrighty, and whenever you're ready, and hit it! I'm gonna mute myself. Any questions in terms of that? Cool. At least you got a better. And just to double check as well, making sure that you're not on the bid price, you're on the asking price when if you're going long. But if you're going short, then you need to be on the bid price. Okay. Okay, just to let you know that the next reporting is at 2:45 and 3 o'clock. The French consumer spending and the Spanish flash GDP. So 2:45 and alright, so Harry, what would you like to achieve now with your euro yen? Since you've been looking around for the past 10 minutes.
Looking for an entry on one of the methods. Sellers are in control now. So yeah, it's moved quite a lot on M3 to the 5, for the 15. That's quite a long way now. On the 30 as well. There's no M2s that I've just looked through. So it's coming to a level of demand, so I went to M1. Pushing the price down now.
Oh yeah, what did you do with your Aussie dollar?
The
Are you
profit
still in it?
no, the target got taken yesterday, I believe. Last night.
Okie dokie. Alright, that's good then.
Yeah, 103.57.
So when I get there, yeah. So when I get there, then you gotta buy me dinner, yeah?
No, just like Anne speaks for me, I'll speak for Anne. She decided to identify us.
Alright, so what's stopping you to press the trigger to go to the downside right now?
This, it's moved too far. So it's the same thing as that pound. Remember that pound yen you just did? So when is it now like chasing it?
Mm-hmm.
Because it is at like
There you go. So it basically broke through current demand, right?
Yeah. Well, not yet. Well, it's not finished yet.
And alright, then go to a small time frame, like your 5 minute or something, just to see what the price is currently doing.
Yeah.
Did it create new lower lows?
Yeah, broke that low there. Yeah.
Okay. Create new lower lows. So if the new lower low, what will be the next move of it?
Lower high. Yeah.
Okay, lower high. When it reaches lower high, what price can you sell it at now then?
28.
20. There you go.
So that's going to be the entry there.
Minus the spread, plus or minus the spread, so about 127.99, something around that area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, that's the strategy you can implement without you chasing it. Cool. Alrighty, next, let's see what Jason is up to. Any questions based on that, Harry?
No, that's really good.
Okay, cool. Ready. Okay, you're short based on
Okay,
that.
so here's my level of demand right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, price pushed down towards this level, tested it, failed, came back up, and so no worries, because if it decides to reverse and go up to the upside, I'll just go long. I don't care. So, I mean, because I do really understand that this is a pretty strong level of support right here. And so if it does decide to break down past this level of support, then I'm already short. So I'll just write it out. If not, then I'll close the position and go long if it decides to.
Alrighty, nice, excellent, good. And let's see what John has done.
Okay, I wanted to practice my just my entries with so we got much time. I went to the 1 minute chart just to practice my M3s, and I've already got trades on the Euro yen and Aussie yen. So I chose the euro to dollar, and so I was just watching it move along in the 1 minute, and I entered right there about maybe 10 seconds or so before the next bar developed, because it's moving so fast, and unfortunately it gave me the highest possible entry point, and then again it was moving so fast. I was watching it down here, and it's just, again, when I tried to time the second bar, knowing it was going to go out, it put me right about there. So it was a loser, but it was a good practice for me to practice my ins and outs on the M3. And then I also did the pound yen. Let me go to that. Same story, pretty much. I was watching it, and I got my entry. I guess a pretty good entry on that right there. I wish it was closer to the moving average, but again, it was moving so fast, and as it went out, I tried to. There's no way of timing on a 1 minute, so it gave me the worst possible out I could get. But yeah, and that's what I got.
All right, perfect, very nice. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's not the result that I'm after, the process. Excellent, good.
Right.
Let's see what Anne has done.
Moving along with the euro against the dollar. I bought right here. Just wanted to see if they will hold this level of demand right here. It's creating higher lows, so it's on an uptrend at the moment. Got a new high right there, higher than compared to these highs here. But sellers in control at the moment, so we'll see if they hold these levels of demand. If not, they might stop, maybe taken.
Cool.
So we'll see in the next few minutes.
Yep. So basically the same trade as you. Notice how the news is being reacted, part of that. So definitely there's still something going on that probably we don't know, from 11:22 all the way to about 11:45. So we're going to wait for that report at 11:45. Okay, so we'll keep trading, see what you guys can, other trades that you can find, and then we'll discuss it in a few minutes. Alrighty, and I'll mute myself. Thanks, guys. All right, nice one, Harry.
Nice work, Ray. Nice work.
Okay, nice job as well, Jason. Very nice. Okay, good job, John. Nice one. Body's in a shorting position. And in myself are hanging on a string. Almost got
Oh, I went short euro pound.
euro pound. Okay, cool. Are you still in the euro dollar end?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still in there long.
Okay.
Waiting.
Alright, talking about that, I think this is where we were talking about this today. I'll just pass the presentation on my end with Chase. Okay. Sorry, just 1 second. Oop, it's gonna get there. 83, 1 paper, and I'm out. Alright, so Jason, I think this is what we spoke about earlier today. You see how it's still within that downtrend. So I think pretty much we're in the money. Shorting to head back to 130.23.
Yeah, absolutely. And it
Unless they're
followed that trend line perfectly almost, you know. Just
yeah.
it retested, failed, and went back down to the downside. So if I had stayed in that trade, still would have not been bad in my position.
Correct. So unless there's the report will be good in the next 15 minutes. Not looking good though. So we know there is a between a higher high, lower low, based on the perspective, the trend. Still at the low, still higher compared to that. Overall, still pretty much in an uptrend. There was that gap, part of that Sunday, fill that gap. Okay, he's currently, yeah, the strong demand. Okay, part of that M3 trade that you did have. Easily, the price can come back down here to 130.39. We just don't know whether it can do that, depending on whatever the reports are going to happen. But if not, then if the closing price will close anywhere around here, then that's pretty much on what you're supposed to do. Yeah, but in terms of M1 trade type of environment, we can see here that yeah, it's still in a downtrend. If this one breaks easy, 132 will be the mark, and the thing that you would like money will definitely be taken. Okay. Alright, cool. Awesome. Everybody's still short and still pretty much in the string, end of the string.
Yeah, I'm still in this trade.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's see Harry's one.
Come on.
Are you out or in the new trade?
Out.
You're out.
Done.
So you made your money run. Okay, cool, nice.
Like a thief in the night.
Yeah. Actual fact, create a new lower low. Where will be the next move?
Yes. Let's have a look at this.
Be a new higher low.
Yep, new higher low. And where will be a good price point?
Hang on. High or low?
Lower high.
Okay. Around there.
Okay, cool.
That's the plan.
Alrighty.
Which just fills that void nicely.
Mm-hmm. Alright, Jason, what is it forming at the moment?
It's forming actually an M2 setup.
Okay, cool.
It's also forming a morning star and a reversal pattern, actually.
Okay. When is that bar gonna finish?
It's not going to finish until 2:45.
2,
So
5.
that's Eastern Standard Time. -3. So in another 9 minutes.
Okay, cool.
So I went short. I was in profit for a little bit with this trade, but right now, because of this bar right now, it's not in profit.
All right, let's take that trade. Let's help Jason in this one. So this is the same one with Harry, part of your situation. Maybe perhaps you're gonna help Jason. What's the difference between this trade compared to your trade, Harry?
It just didn't take out the previous low. I think mine did, from memory.
Correct. So if the low didn't get taken, what is the trend of the lows?
Higher lows.
Higher lows. And where Jason entered was a level demand or supply?
Ooh, looks like supply chase.
Supply?
No, demand. It was
That's
a
demand, sorry.
Yeah.
So I entered too late, pretty much, to go short. I should have entered up here.
What would have been the strategy then?
To just be patient and wait for it to come into a level of demand, and then enter to go long. And I probably would have been making money right now.
What else though? Because we spoke about this. What other strategies can you implement?
To set the order up to go, if I'm short 3, or say like if I'm 1 micro lot short right now, to go short into this entry, to go, I don't know, like 3 micro lots to go long at the same time simultaneously, to exit the trade and go long automatically.
What else?
Other than that, I'm not sure, because
Maybe Harry. Okay. Oh, on that one. Okay, Harry.
Yeah.
What are the strategies that Jason could do?
Put the Fibonacci's where you think the best possible retracement level can be, and set an entry order.
Okay, great. What else?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, what else? Since Jason shorted on that doji right there.
yeah, that was
Spinning, or that spinning top. Anyone about Anne?
But how about hedging it with another crosspair?
Hedging with a crosspair. Okay, what else?
Close the position and reverse it. Is the covered?
Okay, close the position, reverse it. Or how about
that's what I just did, yeah.
or even before entering though, because you saw that. You need to create a strategy before execution. So once the demand will be broken, that's when you have to go short.
demand wasn't broken though. It just it established itself here at this level here at the 97.66 mark.
Correct. So in other words, that if it gets broken, then you have to go short.
You have to. There's no, because it's going to establish a new lower low, and so there's no way to go long on that trade. But it did not want to do that. It established itself here.
Exactly. So do you have to go short if the demand has been broken?
No, you don't have to.
No, you cannot. In other words, you do not.
Right.
Instead, what do? You have to buy.
Right.
Okay. Because
I think, right, and I think when I bought in, the bar was pretty solid up to here, something like that.
When you bought it or when you shorted it?
When I shorted it, I'm sorry. And so it fooled me because I thought I saw this bar, this bar. It's like, oh, no problem, downtrend. Bears are in control, obviously. And then all of a sudden, this doji established. Established.
Because the bulls hasn't, well, where the current bar hasn't started as yet. Because if that would be a bullish bar and you shorted on a bullish bar, then definitely you won't be going short if it was a bullish bar prior to that.
No way. Yeah, no way.
Yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, live and learn. It's just
cool.
Not going short in the level of demand, I guess.
No, you cannot go short in the level of demand. Definitely not.
Right. It's basic. So live and learn. I
cool.
got it.
There you go. See, there's one part I like about this session is basically the coaching part. Okay, John, let's go to see what you're up to.
I only picked one trade, and I was messing around with different time charts and couldn't find anything I wanted to get into. And then I got the Kiwi dollar on the 5-minute shorted. I was gonna short right here, and for whatever reason, my timing was off with my clock and everything in 5 minutes. But I decided that it was a good play, so when I got the same possible entry point right here, which I did, I went ahead and took the trade, just like I would have over here, and I stayed with it, and then I followed it back across the moving average, and my timing wasn't great on getting out of this, but I tried to time it the best I could. One thing that occurred to me, based on what we were talking about today, with regards to staying with a certain pair with the M3 methodology and following that 2 in, 2 out across the moving average, was that I had one lot short.
Yes.
What I could have done was I could have came out of this with these 2 bars right here, and I could have bought 2 lots, and that would have closed my one lot and then put me into a long for these 2 bars. Correct?
Correct, and not too late. See how the price went above it? It's currently touching the 8 to 10. You can go along there, and then right now too.
Right.
Yeah, you can go long again. So we're just with one trade alone. Cool. Excellent, guys. Pretty good. Okay, let's go back to it. And less than 111 to 1144. Okay, we're going to see the second part.
Okay, so I got stopped. I got stopped euro dollar, so that was pretty good. Still in short with the euro pound, but considering a doji here, so we'll see. Could be a stabilization before it continues.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Aaron. Well, let's have a look on base on that. Bingo. All right. 11:45. Let's see what the news is gonna come. See how the price is stalled. It's not moving. 30.82, 30.80. Something is going on Is it just me or is everybody else as
The
well?
report was positive, right? The euro was positive.
Interesting, huh? So the report is positive, but nothing is happening. Okay.
Oh. If you look on the cross pairs, they're moving now.
Cross pairs are good, but the euro
Yeah.
against the dollar. It's flat. Okay, let me close that too.
Oh, some movement.
China, Wednesday. Mm.
Nothing. It's not moving.
Nothing. So normally at this time, if there's medium impact, they could go boom, 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 go up and down really quick, but there's nothing. I wonder if they're waiting.
Is that because there's another one at 5?
There's one, yeah, the Spanish
There's more.
Then the
GDP.
German, yeah.
Then we
All
have the
lined up.
Italian, yeah, they're all lined up. We have at 5 CPI and an employment rate. Whoa, so there's quite a few.
All right, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is a few.
Yeah, 10 minutes. We have,
Spanish.
Spanish GDP.
They're waiting for that. And this one, German unemployment change.
Okay, so let's think about this very well. What can we do? So how come then that if the news are really good that there's nothing coming good out of it? How come it's negative? What's the dollar index doing as well? So how come sellers are still dominant, not buyers though? Okay, we'll go through at
Yeah.
On the weekly, it's on a
Buyers for
supply.
next one.
so buyers are a level of demand for
DX1.
the dollar index. Ouch, I think definitely that's gonna drop further.
Buyers in the 1 hour. So
Notice how it's the opposite side of the euro against the dollar, even on the 1 hour. So depending on what the price is gonna be for the report, okay, there's one. Can the price go to 130.57? Alright, based on the 1 hour chart, sellers are way too strong, too powerful. 130.75, but that's based on the reaction of the news. Okay, but about at midnight, what are the probability that that's a fake out?
could be.
Could be. Ah, look at that. I'm gonna test that theory. Okay, I'm gonna go long. We
The
have 10.
marketplace is positive as well.
Exactly. I'm gonna play. What's that?
It's just retracing.
Exactly.
See, one could drop to 130.55.
Can you put the fib on the high of the current high, please, Ram? Let's see what happens.
Oh, this one high. Today's high.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a red candle. Okay.
I believe that's 38.2, 130.72.
17. Let's look at the daily.
Let's have 15 minutes. That one's dropping right there. Okay, let me drop the gun. Okay, there we go.
They may drop it to 130.55 and then rebound. Maybe.
Okay, 38.2 first though, 130.72, and then 130.55. Right, wait 8 minutes. Okay, we're going to chill out for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back and see where that will go. Okay. Sorry guys, I was muted. Yes, I was talking. Yeah, because looking at the reports, so there's nothing right there. We're gonna see actually. Let's see if it's currently. Yeah, there's nothing right there, but definitely no change for the Spanish GDP. 355 unemployment change. 4 a.m. the Italian monthly unemployment rate. So there's still more to come in terms of the reports. I know they're all medium impact, nothing big at the moment. But at least it was fun to do this, sparring with the marketplace on a more real-life trading environment. So hope you enjoyed it. You have any questions for me before we wrap it up?
No questions.
No questions. I hope that answered your question as well, Harry, for future reference. And,
yes, it did. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ian.
Pleasure. Alrighty. John, Jason, Stefan, Subramani, you guys got any questions?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Awesome. There's no questions. You guys have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thanks, everybody.
See ya. Bye.
All right, take care, bye.